Let's talk about types of databases, just so you get what's out there. First up, we have hierarchical databases. These organize data like a tree, where each parent can have many children, but a child only has one parent. It's like a company org chart, with the CEO at the top and branches going down. IBM's IMS is a classic example. Then there's network databases, which are kind of like hierarchical but more flexible. Here, a child can have multiple parents, so it's more like a web. Think of students in clubs A. A student can join many clubs, and a club can have many students, so it's not just a straight line. The Integrated Data Store, or IDs, is one you might hear about. Next, object-oriented databases. These store data in objects, just like in programming. So each object has data and functions, which makes it great for complex stuff like multimedia. If you have a person object, it can have a name and address, and even a method to get the latest address. Berkeley DB is an example used a lot in embedded systems. Now, relational databases are probably what you hear about most. They store data in tables with rows and columns, and they link these tables using keys. It's super organized like spreadsheets that talk to each other. SQL is the language you use here, and examples are MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Oracle. Cloud databases are exactly what they sound like. They run in the cloud on platforms like AWS or Google Cloud. You don't need your own servers, you just access and manage your data over the internet. They're flexible and scale easily, which is why lots of businesses use them these days. Centralized databases keep all the data in one place, like a main server. It's easier to manage and secure, but can be slow if too many people are accessing it at once. Big companies use these when they really need tight control over their data. Personal databases are small and meant for one person, like on your phone or computer. Think of Microsoft Access or SQLite. They're perfect for storing your contacts or personal notes without needing a big setup. Operational databases handle real-time data, like daily transactions in a business. They're built for speed, so when you're buying something online or updating info, it's all happening live. SAP HANA is a popular one for fast transactions and analytics. And then there's NoSQL databases. These don't use the usual table structure. Instead, they use more flexible models like key-value pairs or documents. They're great when you need to scale out and handle unstructured data like social media posts. MongoDB is a well-known example.